are the first time founders, they don't even know how to look at a simple piece. Maybe when you are in a Western country where there is already a lot of knowledge, ecosystem, oh my goodness. Like whenever I think we talk about sales, I think everybody would imagine that encyclopedia guy who used to come at our home
Exactly.
and sell that market. These are the 5 elements which come into this market.
Can you?
Then grocery came to us, then beauty came to us, and that's how you continue to evolve your product and company also.
So you are saying that you were actually serving retailers.
Yes.
But you chose to serve only fashion
retailers. So
Why-
first we started with
why
QSR.
couldn't you have served all the retailers in
अच्छा,
that market?
सबसे पहले हमने QSR से actually start किया था, quick service
Oh.
restaurant. So your Nando's, Taco Bell,
Right.
we had Dunkin Donuts at one point of time. उनका एक नीड है, ठीक है. अब आप Taco Bell जाते हो, you spend around 450 to 600 rupees, right? You will repeat within a week. एक बार अगर अच्छा लग गया Taco Bell तो एक हफ्ते में 2 बार खा लोगे, 2 हफ्ते में खा लो, 1 महीने में 2 बार खा लोगे आप.
Correct.
अब आप जाते हो 4000 रुपए की शर्ट खरीदते हो, आप कब खरीदोगे नेक्स्ट शर्ट?
6 महीने लगे.
6 महीने में. अब आप जाते हो 40,000 रुपए का एसी खरीदते हो आप. अब मैं जाता हूँ वॉच के ब्रांड में, वहां पर आपने 1 लाख रुपए का घड़ी खरीदा, 1 lakh rupees you bought. So even though the data is same, like I have the purchase data, the product
The
is being
data
paid,
is same, process is same.
problem statement is different,
Right. Okay.
right? And that a watch company has a different problem statement from an electronics company to fashion to QSR. So first we cracked QSR,
Okay.
then we got into fashion, then we got into beauty, then we got into electronics, and like that. And now we have a furniture store also, right? So, but everybody has a very different problem statement, and there will be certain tweaks which you'll have to make. The problem statement has to be different, and your product will continue to evolve. So you become a king of one, and then the moment you start feeling, yeah, I have captured the big names, and अंदर से भी आवाज आने लगता है, because then every QSR brands will know about you, every restaurants know about you. Or at least whenever you're going there, we have heard about you. You know कि you have created a name for yourself. Is then when you think, hey, you know what, I am, separating 10 lakh rupees per month, and I'm gonna be focusing on fashion,
Okay.
right? And then you will get your first customer. You will need an engineer. You need a product person who will understand their problem statement, create a beta of that product, see whether that is working or not, and then you start scaling. So every time you open up a new market, it requires further investments from every aspect of the company.
Between two sectors, do you think there was reusability of your?
Of course, there is a reusability.
About 60%.
Yeah. But the basic essence is that you give us data, we will understand that data, and we will take action in the form of communication.
Communication.
वो तो same ही रहा,
Okay.
right?
The fundamental process remains.
Fundamental process is same, but how they want to use the data, what analysis they want from that data, and what actions they want to do data was very different for all types of market.
Okay. Awesome. Great. So now that you went through this entire journey of starting with a product, going out in the market, trying to sell them, finding that okay, small customers were not the ideal.
Yeah,
They didn't, although they helped you build the product, they didn't. Help
the
you
market
build
was
the
not.
business.
Yeah.
The market was too small. So through this entire process, which do you think is a threshold point at which you said, "ये मेरा धंधा है"?
All right. When there is a theory for a brand flower, wherein there are 4 aspects to how you think about a business, right? So first, of course, starts with the market. There is a market product fitment. Acha, one thing about product market fit, right? I feel that's the most flawed concept, because you think about your product and then you think, hey, I've created this product, where should I go sell it? The first is the market, wherein I spoke about what is the market, problem statement, alternative, how they're solving it. Basis on that, you create your product. Then comes when you have created that product, you know which market. That market already has defined channel for selling. Because, for example, we were in enterprise space, we had to do outbound sales. We had to be present in those big events, become speakers, become a part of the panel, sponsor those big events which is happening, wherein all these top CEOs are coming or not. I know of similar companies of our space wherein they, in Dubai, when we are trying to do our GTM, they would take these CEOs on a yacht party, right? That the event will end, but the dinner party is on a yacht, wherein they'll take around, and then you got 2 hours with those CEOs, which is good enough to build a rapport, and then you start your sales process.
Right.
So how you gonna sell, that is gonna define your CAC. Then your pricing. Does your CAC support pricing? And then once you have these things, how big is your market?
Right.
right? At the end, it may all fit, but then you realize there are only 500 brands like this.
Yeah.
And then you don't have a business, maybe a lifestyle business. Again, when I'm talking about this thing, like, I've always dreamt about building like a really large business. But I'm not talking about how this theory might not apply for if you want to build like a 10 crore or 15 crore rupees business. Because if you have 500 brands and you are the only player, then you can build a 10 crore business with a 20% profit, 2 crore का profit बन रहा है, 20 साल तक चलाओ, मस्त धंधा है यार वो भी, मतलब I call that India con.
Yeah.
Like there is a unicorn, then there is a concept of India con where you build a 50-100 crore rupees business,
Beautiful.
get like a 10-15% profit, buy mast dhanda, you
We
will
should
live your
trademark
life.
this now. With
That is
iPhone.
India con for me.
India con.
ये हमारे देश में जितने भी मारवाड़ी और जो आपके बनिया है या फिर जितने भी इंडियन बिजनेस
मैं
फैमिलीज
खुद
हैं,
हूँ.
राइट, उन्होंने इंडिया कौन बनाया है यार, मतलब उनको थोड़ी ना पता था यूनिकॉर्न है कि आप इवैल्यूएशन का गेम क्या होता है. उन्होंने देखा कि यार 50 करोड़ आ रहे हैं, 20% प्रॉफिट बन रहा है, 3 करोड़ रुपए का प्रॉफिट है, दिस इज आफ्टर पेइंग ऑल देयर एक्सपेंसेस एंड एवरीथिंग.
घर लेके जा रहे हैं.
घर लेके जा रहे हैं, वो पड़ा हुआ है अकाउंट में, और अब सोचो 10 साल अगर आप चला लो ये कंपनी तो मतलब 30 करोड़ है. 30 करोड़ को आप साला अकाउंट में भी रखे रहो, कुछ इन्वेस्ट मत करो. That's still a substantial amount of money which you have made with generation can live on.
Correct.
Right? So how big is the market? Like so one thing which I tell people is भाई जब ये पूरा problem solve कर रहे हो ना तो देख लेना कि बड़ा market भी होना चाहिए. So as long as you figured this out, equation out, that there is enough brands like they're ready to pay money, I have figured out how to sell, I have that unique insight and I have the product, and you will see those में that people again will start recommending you to their friends. अंदर से तुमको आ रहा होगा यार कि हम एक problem solve कर रहे हैं. Your renewals are coming in. Very very important indicator कि भाई आपने बेच तो दिया लेकिन दोबारा वो कस्टमर आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा आपके पास. And this entire cycle I feel takes around 3 to 5 years for you to know कि or whether you even have a business or not.
Okay.
So those are the 4 elements which I feel are very critical to define whether you have something to call a business, which starts with hypothesis and eventually 5 years later when you have gone through with all these cycles, you know कि हाँ ठीक है, I
So
can
you are
invest.
saying it's a timeline of 5 years.
Oh yeah.
Most of our viewers and our participants want to do it in 5 months.
Yeah, and that is the problem. That is the biggest problem which people have. It's a slow process.
Right.
Right? And मैं क्या देख रहा हूँ, आप do one thing, you open up Google का share price when they went public. Before public they had spent number of years building that product. आप देखोगे Google का लाइन एकदम नीचे ऐसे टच कर रहा होगा for almost 15-20 years. And then around 2008-10 when iPhone came into picture, all of these graphs will start going up because accessibility, like there came an external factor for them, which
Somebody
made their
else
company
made it possible
big.
for
हाँ, because iPhone, when Google, Amazon, all of these companies became big after like smartphones became a thing. But it is a slow and painful process. Like it will take money, your soul, your blood, your sweat, everything you'll have to invest in this. And I learned this from Hemant, who is a partner at Lightspeed, that you have to become a cockroach. Cockroach क्या है भाई, nuclear blast भी हो गया, cockroach will survive. So you have to carry that attitude. It's a long journey. It doesn't come in 5 months. It doesn't happen in 1 year. हुए होंगे instances. I'm not saying कि नहीं हुई companies बड़ी, but वो outliers है मेरे लिए. मतलब अगर आप देखोगे most लोग की life कैसी गई है तो मतलब it's a good 5 to 10 year journey. And then it's up to you how long you want to carry that journey also.
So how do I prepare myself for a 5-year journey like this? How do I become that cockroach?
यार so simple दो ही element है. एक आपका how will you support yourself financially, and second is how your family is going to be supporting you. And all these big founders, Facebook and everybody started with their garage, right? Their parents' garage.
Right.
And I say this quote to a lot of people that if you want to improve the quality of your life in the future, you have to compromise on the quality of life today.
So
Right.
you are suggesting frugality.
Of
The
course.
earliest is frugality.
You have to, everything has to be in that business. Now, and that's a very fucked up scenario also because I know a lot of amazing founders or people who had to support their family back home. Now, it became very, very difficult for them to take that kind of decision. So you have to be in a certain good scenario, I must say, and you have to really appreciate your scenario that you can take a decision like that, because a lot of people, even though no matter how talented they are, no matter how clear their understanding is, sometimes your life scenario does not allow you to be in that situation.
So you're, can I say that you need to lower your personal needs?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You
Compromise
have
on
no
that.
personal needs then. I had an apartment in which I was staying. I had 10 people working out of that apartment. Some of those folks we had at like a very low cost used to stay in that apartment with me. We would work the entire. We had gaddas in the house wherein I had no privacy. I had my entire time, my entire life was about building those companies, spending time with them. A lot of I could not get my parents home. You know, I did this for 3-4 years, but they would come visit me, and I would have to. They would have to probably book a hotel. I could not invite any of my relatives or any of my cousins कि भाई आप आ जाओ dinner पे. They would want to come meet. I would go meet them because I did not have a setup wherein
You
I
were
could have.
single, but you were not able to
Yeah,
mingle.
mingle. Right? Like, and think about it. Like, most people have their home, they have their own privacy, they have the TV, they're playing, all doing all of those things. Like, I had to give up on all of that. For a long number of years, I did not make any money out of business. जो भी मैंने पैसे सेव किए थे उससे चल रहा था, and of course I was staying in the office itself, तो rental का problem नहीं था. There were a lot of time I had to ask money from my parents. Good thing was that I did not ask for a lot of money. Like, maximum I think I asked for like 1 lakh 2 lakh rupees from them. Maybe 3-4. अब तो याद भी नहीं है, दिए भी नहीं मैंने वापस उनको.
अभी वो इतना छोटा हो गया याद नहीं
Yeah. But that's a journey, right? And then again, your family has to support you, right? If, for example, I started my company when I was 25, so I did not have a wife or kids to think about it. So, but my parents had to agree with it, because at some point I knew I will go to them for some money, right? Which is what we call a friends and family round now in a very professional way. But in those days, वो सब हमको नहीं पता था कि भाई फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली. मेरे लिए फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली था कि भाई पापा से थोड़ा सा पैसे ले लो टू run this particular business. And I feel I'm very lucky, very grateful that I could take those decisions. And what I did out of it was that every minute of my life I was investing towards building that business. In case if you have a wife, then your wife has to be okay with it. Like, with a lot of your cohort also, like, met a lot of people who had their partner are like, why before you get to it, let's imagine that next 3 years you are not gonna make any money. Is your wife or husband okay to support you? Because you are used to a certain standard of life. Suddenly everything will go and you don't know when that standard of life अगर होगा तो बहुत फटके होगा एकदम आगे जाके.
Exactly.
लेकिन अभी तो you have to go through that pain. So everybody's buy-in has to be there, because it is a brutal journey. मतलब it is not so rosy as people think it is. It is very, very hard. Even though everything is right, everything is aligned, everyone is there behind you, but it is still very, very hard to go through this journey.
So why would anybody want to go through this?
You have to be a little crazy. Sorry. That's the thing. If you have to be a little cuckoo, I say, like, anytime anybody leaves a very well cushioned job, wherein at the end of the month you're getting that salary, you're gonna celebrate the first week, you'll go to restaurants and pubs, and suddenly you have to stop along that, like, no, I want to build something, and maybe 5 years it will become something, maybe I'll just go broke. You have to be a little crazy about, really, really, really passionate about doing something great in your life, doing a very impactful work in your life, and you have to have that sense of that you want to build something, and you're ready to go through any journey no matter what. So I say थोड़ा सा मेरे को लगता है कि craziness होना चाहिए towards doing this. If you like a well cushioned life and you are very comfortable with that 30th come message which pops up, this is not the life.
Okay. So at this point in time, you're just fresh out of the oven, right? You have just exited your
Yeah.
startup. And what do you feel now that you don't have a place to go every day, and that churn?
It's a scary place.
What do you feel? What do you want to do now?
Yeah, so I am in a phase wherein I am doing a very good retro on my life.
Okay.
Interestingly, I thought I was doing everything for myself. Over a period of time, I realized that most of the decisions which we have taken in our life are circumstantial decisions.
Hmm.
What does that mean? When I was in 10th, I was told, get great marks, your life is sorted.
Right.
I was like, I'll get great marks. Then 12th में आया, बोला कि यार ये इंजीनियरिंग क्रैक कर लो, सब क्रैक कर लो, बढ़िया हो जाएगा.
Hmm.
हमने कहा ठीक है यार, बढ़िया हो जाएगा. फिर इंजीनियरिंग में क्या बोला कि यार 4 साल पढ़ लो, गेट अ गुड जॉब,
Life set हो गया.
लाइफ सेट हो जाएगा. Then I started doing job, I realized, and I was investing almost 16, 17 hours every day in doing. And I have never criticized. I have always loved my work. So, and I've always been passionate about. I'm a workaholic. ये सब जॉब में फोड़ दो, बढ़िया ग्रोथ मिल जाएगी. लाइक यार वो तो वो नहीं रहा उस लेवल पे. देन एवरीबडी वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की भाई. तो मेरे को आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग इन big data company. That company used to solve problems for fraud detection and prevention in real time. So there was a lot of data processing and which we used to do. So I knew that and I loved that and I implemented that in this company.
Right.
And then I started building that. And eventually there came a point when I realized, yeah, were those decisions taken by me? Or were those decisions happened because all the scenarios and the circumstances made me take that decision?
Right.
And I feel that's the story for most of us, right? Wherein we have gone with the flow, never really stepped back and be like, what am I good at? What do I want to do? And what are the kind of impact which I want to create? So I am now in a phase wherein I'm not gonna jump into it because of circumstances and scenario again. I'm very grateful that I'm be able to come at this stage and think like this
Think like
also, because most people don't get this opportunity, and people who do get this opportunity, like it requires a lot of introspection to be done inside you to really know what you're gonna be committing to next,
Mm.
and whatever I want to commit to is gonna be for the next 20 years.
Right. Okay.
So now I know I can do any product, I can build any product, I can get into the any market, but what exactly it has to be, like that I want to be crystal clear so that the next 20 years I don't want to complain.
Right. Right.
Like I just want to be committed to that cause, whether the outcome is good or bad or worst, I don't care as long as I'm able to live up to my decision.
Right. So you're seeking the cause which you want to pursue.
Yes.
Awesome. Okay. So what did it mean? Did I mean you were pretty motivated by money? All of us are.
Yeah. Wealth creation is
Yeah.
always,
Wealth
yeah.
creation is one thing. So
Yeah.
when you saw that okay, I was here, now I have come here.
Hmm.
I have achieved. So after that, why are you still seeking?
Again, I think that's a very innate, it's an innate nature in me
Hmm.
that I have to always be doing something.
Contributing something.
Yeah, so that kida is not gone. Matlab, I say like, and most founders have that kida. If you don't have that kida, don't get into it. Right? Like, it's simple. Like when I was preparing for IIT, like when I saw there is type of people, I knew they will crack IIT.
Ah.
लाइक वो
दिखता
पता
है,
होता दिखता
हाँ,
है कि भाई ये यार इसको कुछ कुछ चीजें ऐसी समझ में आ रही है कि जो मतलब मेरे को पल्ले ही नहीं पड़ रही है, राइट? सो आई थिंक यू नीड टू हैव दैट पर्टिकुलर कीड़ा एंड आई स्टिल हैव नॉट सेटिस्फाइड दैट hunger which I have right now,
Hmm.
and I still have a lot to give. Certain things which I know is that I want to do it something socially impactful.
Hmm.
What is it gonna be? I don't know. I'm still looking for that because I know my fundamentals and my first principles now on which I want to do my next thing. And of course, that has also happened because I've gone through this journey wherein I can think of this clarity because I have that knowledge now. I
Right.
know that science now. I know those thought process, ki what it will take me to be committed to something for the next 20 years.
Hmm. Okay.
So that kida has to be there, and you know whether you have that kida or not.
Right.
If you don't have that kida, don't take that risk. If you have that kida and you know कि नहीं हो रहा है ये, then please get into a situation wherein you know. I always say कि यार मेरे को बस ऐसे situation में नहीं रहना है कि 10 साल बाद मैं पीछे देखूँ और बोलूँ यार काश मैं ये कर लेता.
Ah, no regrets.
No regrets. Like करके fail हो जाओ कोई बात नहीं यार, मतलब still will be a very good situation you will be in.
Hmm. Okay. So can you just tell me a couple of high moments in your entrepreneurship journey?
There were a lot of high moments and a lot of low moments also. High moments was like I got support from very unexpected people.
Hmm. Hmm.
Like while I was building this business, and it's crazy, and I tell this story like when I was 2016 17 when we were starting out this company and we were selling it to these single outlet owners, there were some people like we were selling it for 25,000, 30,000 rupees. But then the same people who came is like, I'm gonna give you a check of 1 lakh rupees.
Oh, okay.
Right? You go build your business.
Hmm.
Nothing in return, no equity, nothing.
Hmm.
So there were a lot of people who came, and not just one. Like there were 2-3 people who came and be like, "यार,
Unknown people.
unknown people." Like ये prospects थे, इनसे मिले, 3-4 मिले, बार मिले. They became our customer. Then they started liking us so much. They're like, "यार, just take some money and go ahead." Then I realized in this world, if you are trying to do something, there will be people who will come support you unexpectedly, and that has really changed my perspective towards life and towards people. Of course, there were a lot of assholes I've also met in my life.
They were the lows.
They were the lows. So, and you will, whenever you go through any phase of your life, be it job, be it entrepreneurship, you'll always meet those people. But then when I found those people, and those became my support network, and I still in touch with them, with a lot of them. Few high moments was, of course, when we cracked the biggest. I was always a salesperson, so every time we would crack that first deal, first Middle East deal. I still remember a very, very billion-dollar company reached out to us, wanting to work with us. And what had happened was I had sold it. I tried to sell it to those big companies so many times, and I always got shut down because they said that you don't have referenceability, you are too small, you don't have customers like us. So I went on my first call, and the CEO and the CIO of that company was there. And the very first thing I said, Alex, sir, I'm gonna give you some disclaimer. I do not have any customer like you. I've never serviced a customer like you. I don't know anything about your market. They were from Dubai. I'm like, I don't have any customer in Dubai. If you have a problem with these aspects and the typical aspects of, then let's not do the call right now. There's no point, because we'll go through this entire, and this is the first call to the CEO of the company. I'm saying, if this is your thought process, then I'm not the right company for you, and I don't want to waste your time, and please don't waste my time also. Right? And when they said, "Nahin, we know about these things and we still want to talk to you guys."
Okay.
And when we cracked those kind of deals, that gave a lot of high.
It's a great validation.
It's a great validation. I think I'm always, third type of high which I've always gotten is when my team evolved, like anybody who I work with. And I take this very, very seriously, and talk to anybody who has worked with me. I really, 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 really care about people's growth. And I say to them, कि भाई अगर तेरे को मेरे साथ काम नहीं करना, कोई बात नहीं, मेरे को छोड़ के जाना है ना, तो give me an offer which is at least 20 to 50x better than what you're getting here in terms of either money or growth or position or something. Because if you are not getting that after working with me, then I'm a failure.
Right.
And I would say 90 to 95% of the people who worked in our company, and when they moved out, they're doing phenomenally well than what they would be doing if they would have gone through a certain journey. Because we put, like I believe in the concept of reset. Like I give you a problem statement to solve. I see you solving in the best scenario possible. I'm going to reset you.
Okay.
Like you have done this.
Give you better challenge.
I will get you a person who will create a system out of it. I will give you a challenge which is now better than. I always believe, and I always am a lookout for people who have reaching that stagnation point, and the moment they start getting comfortable, I reset them. Okay, now this is the next challenge which you have. So these have been some of the very, very high moments, and this entire journey has been full of highs. I would say, think about it. There's so many things I can think of, but yeah, building a great team, building a great culture, getting those insanely tough deals, and of course meeting these amazing people and customers who've always trusted you. At the end, when you're building a company, it's first the founder trust which comes into picture before the brand.
You're right.
Like as Zeno as a company today has a brand in the market, but there was a time when nobody knew about it.
Right.
And eventually people trusted the founders
I think
to give that business.
Initial brand, initial credibility
is founder
comes from the
sales.
founders.
Right? So when people place that trust in you and you are able to deliver on that trust, that gives you a great sense of satisfaction which you will not get anywhere, I feel.
So you believe that the earlier founders, the starting stage, the founder themselves should be able to
The second
get
was
the
the
trust.
second mistake. First mistake is market. Second mistake is founders not doing sales.
Founders
Not doing sales.
not doing sales, right? So founders should go put them in front of the customer, and
If you're not, then I don't know how you build a business. I don't understand founders who don't go meet their existing customers. I don't understand founders who don't sit with them. Like I still to the date take out time, sit with my not even the CMOs or the CEO, the business users. I just want to know what they're doing the entire day.
Right. It's a joyful journey, right? I mean, to know how the product is impacting
Their life.
person who
And
uses
not just life, yeah. There are times like my customer servicing team would complain to me that they would get calls at 10 p.m. in the night from my customers saying that, yeah, this I need 6 a.m. in the morning. ठीक है? If you get a problem statement like this and repeatedly you are getting it from a, how would you react?
serve them, but find out what is the problem and sort it out.
Right? But most people get frustrated.
Okay.
They're like, yeah, why is he calling me at 10 p.m.? Why couldn't he have told me at 5 p.m.? I would have done it and given it. Why didn't we have SLAs? Contract में हमारा SLA है कि भाई 24 घंटे का आपको देना पड़ेगा notice. भाई he is not following SLA. मैंने कहा यार ये बताओ उसने 10 बजे तेरे को कॉल क्यों किया?
उसको उतना पेन है.
उसको किसी ने कॉल किया है. उसके बॉस ने उसको कॉल किया कि भाई सुबह 7 बजे मेरे को ये इनबॉक्स में चाहिए. राइट? उसका भी तो लाइफ है. उसका क्या फैमिली नहीं है? उसकी क्या मस्ती नहीं है. वो बेचारा 10 बजे तो उसका तो फट गया कि अब 7 बजे मेरे को मेल भेजना है. राइट?
उसका फटा हुआ है इसलिए वो
तेरे को रीच कर. अब इस पॉइंट पे अगर तूने उसको सपोर्ट नहीं किया,
he is thinking you are the doctor.
Yeah. So if you support him at this point of time, he will never leave you. He'll be like, यार जब मेरा worst time होता है तब ये इंसान खड़ा है. तो ये कभी भी खड़ा है. तो he will forgive you maybe 10 other mistakes which you will do with him because you have stood by him at the worst possible time. And that is what happens when you spend time with your customers. Right? When you ask this question, यार क्यों पूछ रहे हो तुम 10 बजे मेरे से? And then when you sit with them, and not in a professional setting, you sit with them, understand कि भाई क्या हो रहा है तेरी लाइफ.
After solving the problem.
And then they will talk about their pains. कि भाई तो हमको समझ में आया कि यार एक स्पेसिफिक टाइप की रिपोर्ट है जो टिपिकल ब्रांड्स मांग रहे हैं. हमने क्या किया, हमने फीचर बना दिया उसका.
ओके.
हमने कहा इसको ऑटोमेट के साथ कभी भी चाहिए यहाँ पे जाना, ये करना और अपने सीईओ का ईमेल आईडी डाल देना और सेंड बटन दबा देना. सुबह 6 बजे का ऑटोमेटिक चला जाएगा.
Right.
Now, from that problem statement, we thought of a feature and we stopped getting those calls, urgent calls, and that's the entire cycle which you complete.
Right. Okay.
Right? So that's the way to go about it. I was like, you have to be in front of customers, you have to do sales. Some of the founders I met at 18 Startup, like I told them that you have to upgrade yourself in those skills. I'm sorry, like if you are not the GTM person, please find a person who can become your co-founder and crack your GTM because you totally
And
are the product
what is so
guys.
difficult about sales? I mean, you are going to go there and talk about your product.
People are
know your
scared
customer.
यार. मतलब प्रॉब्लम इज आप कॉल कर रहे हो, कॉल नहीं उठा रहा है, या कॉल किया उसने फोन काट दिया आपका. आप उसके बाद मीटिंग में वो गए, आप एक्साइटेड अपने प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बताने में, दे इमीडिएटली शट यू डाउन सेइंग दैट सॉरी आई डोंट नीड इट. इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ लाइक फॉर एवरी one yes you get, you have to hear 100 no's. Listening no is very demotivating. So a very core aspect of a sales guy is that they are highly motivated people.
You're right.
उनको फर्क नहीं पड़ता है नो बोल रहा है क्या, नो बोल रहा है कोई बात नहीं, चल यार नेक्स्ट वाले पे चलते हैं. ठीक है, 20 नोज मिल गए, क्या करें, चल दारू पी लेते हैं. Right? They don't get bothered by no's.
You're right.
They know that for one yes, they will hear 100 no's, and no matter how big the company becomes, a sales guy still hears 100 no's before you get to a yes.
Yeah, I think despite we do reject so many big brands, right?
Yeah.
I mean, if I bought iPhone, it means that I've rejected so many other brands.
Brands, right?
So I've said no to so many other brands.
Brands.
So true.
तो वो साइकिल थोड़ा सा ना पेनफुल होता है लोगों के लिए to hear a lot
So
of no's. and
no is
it
the reality of business. This
No
is
is the-
something a founder
yeah.
needs to really
And I was
understand.
like, क्या हुआ नो मिला तो कोई तो यस बोलेगा मतलब.
Yeah, exactly.
And if nobody is showing no, then go back to whiteboard. वो भी है. It's a very like startup में ना कंपनी बनाने में ये बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. There is no right and wrong answer.
Exactly.
You will say यार नहीं है तेरा प्रोडक्ट खराब है, बट हो सकता है कि GTM में प्रॉब्लम
That
हो.
yes can be a wrong answer actually.
रॉन्ग आंसर. कोई बहुत सारा यस बोल रहा है, देन हो सकता है कि यार तब भी कुछ गड़बड़ हो गई, हो सकता है फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ द कंपनीज आर नॉट राइट.
Not right.
So it's never a right or a wrong answer, but there are certain signs to it. Where in sales में you have to have a thick skin. You have to become shameless. Again, I was telling you a story about wherein I sat in an office for 12 hours.
Right.
बैठा रहा बस, क्या करना है, कभी तो मिलेगा ना मेरे से, मतलब
No, actually
बैठना है
every-
12 घंटे तो बैठना है.
every founder has this story
Hmm.
of having had to sit with somebody, spent a lot of time to convince somebody. But still, founders, the
they
aspiring
hesitate. I
founders,
don't know why they hesitate. मतलब मेरे को लगता है वो बहुत ही critical skill, unless you're building like a tech type of business, जिसमें भी मेरे को लगता है different type of sales है, क्योंकि फिर आपको investors handle करने हैं. अच्छा, retaining your team, hiring the best talent is also sales.
Yeah, exactly. At
Right.
any point, and you are actually selling something.
Selling only, हर समय आप sell ही कर रहे हो, तो आप कह रहे हो यार मेरे selling is not my strong point, तो भाई अपना बनाओ कंपनी,
Hmm.
क्योंकि पूरे टाइम बेचना ही है आपको.
Awesome.
Hmm.
So, thank you, Ayushman.
Yes.
Sounds amazing journey, great insights, and
you so
beautiful.
And it's
what
great
you
what you guys are doing here, training the next generation of founders in this country, and this country really requires it. Like again, I say there is no education
Yeah.
around this topic, and it's great that you.
No,
guys
I
are
was going
trying
to
solve
tell that. Okay, thanks for promoting ET startup, because that's what we do here.
it. Yeah.
We teach them. We
Yeah.
teach them specifically this, how to build a MVP frugally.
Yeah.
We try to help them bootstrap in such a way that investors really want to come and.
Yeah.
That's what happened to you. Investors came to you.
Yeah. Yeah.
You built something
You
valuable.
won't believe there was a point when we said no to term sheets
Hmm.
because we were profitable, we were making money. I'm like, ये deal नहीं चाहिए मेरे को.
Yeah, right.
But if you are in a situation कि deal के बिना आपकी धंधा नहीं चलेगा,
Yeah.
then that's a
You
problem.
become desperate.
Then you become desperate. So we reached a point हमने कहा यार we should be in a situation where we can say no to deals also
Right.
if it's not in our favor, and we eventually got a deal in our favor, which is when we go ahead for funding.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, Ayushman.
Thank you so
Nice
much.
talking to you.
Same
Thanks for
here.
your time.
Thank you.
Pleasure meeting you.
See.
So that was Ayushman, successful founder who's got an exit, now probably billionaire. I don't know how many billions he
Not
has.
a big exit, sorry. छोटा सा ही. Nothing great.
So, yeah. So I think we learned a lot of lessons from this conversation. Lot of it we keep reiterating through our program. Looking forward to meet you in the next session.